Hey there, I'm Christy Cohen, co-founder of MarketerTribe, and I want to invite you to join our community of fellow marketers. Our new group is dedicated to providing you with a treasure trove of systems, shortcuts, and support to spark growth and empower you to create change and success in your life. I'll tell you more about our tribe in just a minute, but first, let me tell you a quick story. You see, before we found success online, my co-founder and husband, Joshua, and I spent years struggling to make money online. We were stuck, spinning our wheels, and frustrated that we couldn't make anything work. We knew that we wanted more out of life than working a 9-to-5 for 40 years and then finally getting to start enjoying our lives at the glorious age of 65, but we seemed incapable of making that happen. To get real about our struggles and failures, we invested $20,000 into developing an app that never materialized. I spent thousands of dollars and wasted years of my life joining 4 different network marketing companies, and I never made one sale or gained one team member. We spent $10,000 going to a mastermind event in Vegas, another $10,000 on a mastermind event in the Bahamas, another $10,000 on training to get better, to learn how to develop apps. It all failed. We spent years pretending to be online marketers, but secretly knowing that we had absolutely no results. And we were trapped in the shame and frustration that go along with that level of never-ending failure. During those years, though, we were always learning about digital marketing. We were taking courses, reading books, attending those mastermind events, and we finally hit a turning point a couple years ago where we took all the knowledge we had and we used it to start building sales funnels for clients. And that's where we finally hit our groove. We found a way to make money online that worked for us and a genuine way to help other entrepreneurs, which has always been our goal. However, the thing is, when we build funnels, we can only help 1 or 2 clients at a time, and we have a vision to make a bigger impact than that. You know you were made for more, and we know how it feels to have your greatest potential feel like it's always just out of reach. And we know there are so many people out there who feel the same way. That's the heart of MarketerTribe. We want to create a community that will give hope, open the door for transformation, and lay the digital marketing foundation for aspiring entrepreneurs to create success online. When you become a member of MarketerTribe, it means you're part of our journey. You're part of something bigger than yourself. You're building the foundation of our tribe. And on top of that, you get to experience all the tangible benefits that come by joining our ranks as well. First, you get access to our ever-growing library of digital marketing courses and execution plans. These training programs, worksheets, and checklists will give you a competitive advantage as you level up your skills and your income as a digital marketer. We want to eliminate the overwhelm and chaos that are typical online, and we want to give you simple, clear-cut, step-by-step plans that you can use to launch and grow your online business. We're adding new courses and training materials every month, and your membership includes access to all future courses for as long as you're a MarketerTribe member. If you're joining us pre-launch, you get the unprecedented opportunity to help shape the content provided in our tribe and to give us your input for the marketing topics that would be most valuable for you to learn about. This is not just Joshua's and my group. This is our group and your group, and we genuinely want you to be part of shaping it. Next, our highest priority on MarketerTribe is connecting you with other like-minded entrepreneurs inside our MarketerTribe Slack community. This is where you'll be able to network, share ideas, and get answers to virtually any question imaginable, even if it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Or in Joshua's case, especially if it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Joshua and I know that we don't have all the answers, but we know there's power in community, where we're all bringing in a variety of skills and experiences, and where we all believe in abundance and gladly share our expertise with others in the tribe. That's our goal and vision for the MarketerTribe community, where we encourage and boost each other to achieve more than we could do alone. Third, you'll receive invitations to members-only events, both online and offline. For example, twice a month, we host live training sessions where you can get updated on the latest marketing trends and changes, and also get any burning questions answered by a member of the Marketer Tribe team. We will also be announcing offline meetups, as well as mastermind events where you'll get to immerse yourself in an exciting and supportive training environment for a series of several days to fully kickstart your online success. Finally, you'll save money. We know that one of the most intimidating and frustrating parts of getting started online is the sheer number of platforms you need to have and the exorbitant fees each one charges per month. And we want to make it easier for you to get access to the tools and services that you need as an online marketer. We only recommend platforms that we have personally vetted and know will benefit your business. And you will get exclusive, discounted, and lifetime pricing on these tools, making it easier, quicker, and more affordable for you to set up every critical aspect of your business. Our goal is to make Marketer Tribe into the world's premier community of digital marketers and entrepreneurs, the place where you finally break free and get out of that rut in your life. If your goal is to level up your skills, increase your income online, and join a community that supports you every step of the way, Marketer Tribe is the ideal place for you. And right now is the perfect time for you to join the community and find the place where you belong. I can't wait to meet you in the tribe.